Shinjuku right now, and just walking around. I bought tickets actually to a movie, which I'm pretty certain I'm not going to be able to understand, but you know, should be an interesting experience. I'm going to see that movie called Suzume o Toshimaru, which I guess comes out in the US next year. So I figured it would be like kind of a cool thing to go to a movie that is not available in the US yet. So I have another objective, which is I want to try and find let's see if I can find one. Yeah, there's a bunch of them here. So I wanted to find a manga cafe. Oh yeah, it's like right next to us. And you have to get like a card at these manga cafes, so I wanted to try and get one before the movie, just so I have it. Whoa, it's really raining. Oh yeah, there it is, Brown Cyber Cafe. So I found that a little bit earlier than expected. Oh wow, they're done with the construction on that building. Kabukicho Tower was like totally, I guess there still is a thing in front of it. I don't know that it's open, but it doesn't have all the scaffolding on it. Huh. Oh, there's that coffee place that we went to. Damn, we gotta go inside somewhere. Let's go check out KFC. See what's on the Japanese menu. No, I think I'm good. Nothing that looks wow, this place stays open till 1. Ego. You can see on the left and right here is all the hosts and hostesses trying to advertise their wares. So let's go into the manga cafe, and in order to register, I'm not going to be able to. How do I get in here? I'm not going to be able to do it on stream. But we can at least go in. Yeah, I like the idea of going to a manga cafe because, number one, it's just a nice place to go. You get free drinks and food, and you can just read your comic books. And they even have like laundry machines and stuff. But ああ、ない、エレベーターのために戻ります。
はい。お酒傘が片付けてお願いします。傘の方でお願いします。
サイバーカフェ。名前かっこいいね。日本っぽいね。
Okay, so let's call it a show there, ladies and gents. We're gonna see if we can register. Maybe eat something at the cyber cafe. See you in a minute.